Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorials how to create a bar chart on Google Spreadsheet. So first thing we're gonna do is open the documents that containing the data first, and here I already have the documents with the data here. So I have like a left side with the purchase information and the right side is amount of the purchasing. So we have apples and so on, and we have 30 kilograms and so on. So how we make them as a, or convert them into bar chart. First thing, we need to blocks the information. So from this purchased into a month and into watermelon 269, and after that please just click plus button over here, and after that there will be go into the insert sections, and there is several features that we can use. Either we want to insert link, chart, or image. We want to make a bar chart, so let's go into the chart here, and now we can choose the type of the chart and just look for the bar chart. So okay, here we already have a bar chart, so you can choose either this or this. For me, I want to choose this. Okay, so there will be an examples about how will it being converted into the bar chart. So after it's fulfilling your willing, just click done, and after that you can adjusting the size of this bar chart, as well as where do we locate it. Let's put it up here. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, it's perfect. So that's guys how the way you create the bar chart on Google Spreadsheet. Hopefully this video really useful for you. Please don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.